Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create account on Poppo Live app. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take is to download and install Poppo Live app on your device. Right, so all you have to do is to head to Play Store or App Store, search for Poppo Live, and then hit the download button to download. It's very easy. So once you have it downloaded and installed, the next thing you have to do guys is to now open the app, and then you are going to find this interface. So what you just basically need to do is you look down at the bottom of your screen. You notice this option to check that you have read and agreed on terms of service and privacy policy. So just click on that radio button to agree to that, and then the next thing you have to do is to look at the bottom area. Again, at the bottom area you find these three icons: this person icon, phone icon, and email icon. So go ahead and select the phone icon. Right, so once you select the phone icon, the next thing you have to do is to enter your phone number. Alright, so once you enter your phone number just like this, click on next. Then the next thing you have to do is to click on this get verification code. So once you click on that, you are going to get the verification code. Once you get it, go ahead and enter the verification code right here, and then you're going to be asked to fill in password. So you have to create a password for your account. So for example, I can use this as my account. You have to include letters and number. All right, so that's it. So once you are done creating your account, you are going to have to click on the next button. All right, so let me create a strong password first of all. All right, something like this. So then you have to click on next. So once you click on next, your account is going to be created for you. So that's it. So this is how you can actually create an account on Poppo Live app. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.